Let me say something that most people building AI faceless channels don't realize. The biggest problem is not the AI tools, it is the way creators use them. Right now, thousands of people are starting AI faceless channels using the same tools, the same voice generators, even the same script prompts. Yet, most of those channels never grow, not because the creators lack effort, but because they build content without building the system behind it. And that is exactly why so many AI faceless channels stalled before they ever gain momentum. Before we continue, take a second to subscribe to King Kennel AI for more AI YouTube systems like this. Today, I want to show you what actually separates channels that grow from those that stay stuck. If you search YouTube AI channels, you will find a lot of advice. People talk about tools. They recommend voice generators. They recommend editing apps. They recommend script prompts. But after watching many of those videos, something becomes obvious. Do you know that tools alone don't build successful channels? Because if tools were the real answer, every creator using the same tools would succeed. But that is not what we see. Instead, a few channels start growing consistently, while many others upload videos for months with almost no traction. So, the real question becomes, what are those growing channels doing differently? After studying many of them, a pattern appears. They are not just creating videos, they are building a structured workflow. And that workflow is what allows the channels to scale. Most beginners approach AI faceless channels in a very simple way. They open an AI tool. They type a prompt asking for a YouTube script. And this is very common. They generate a voiceover. They add visuals. Then they upload the video. And from their perspective, everything seems complete. But there is a hidden problem. That entire process focuses only on producing a video. It does not focus on building a strategy. And YouTube rewards strategy far more than it rewards random uploads. Yes. Think about how viewers behave. When someone clicks on a video, three things decide whether that video grows. First, the thumbnail and title must convince the viewer to click. Second, the opening seconds must hold attention. Third, the video must continue delivering value so the viewer keeps watching. So, if any of those steps fail, the video struggles. That is it. And unfortunately, many AI faceless channels fail at one or more of these stages. Not because the creator lacks effort, but because the structure behind the content is weak. It is weak. Successful AI faceless channels approach content very differently. They treat their channel like a system. Every video follows a process. Every decision has a reason behind it. Instead of asking only, what video should I upload today? They ask better questions. Questions like, what topics are viewers already interested in? What type of videos keep viewers watching longer? What style of thumbnails attracts attention in this niche? So when creators begin asking these questions, something changes. They stop guessing. They start making decisions based on patterns. And those patterns create consistency. Consistency is what turns a small channel into a growing one. The first step successful channels focus on is topic selection. Do you know that not every topic has the same potential? Some topics attract curiosity and discussion. Others attract very little attention. Creators who succeed spend time identifying ideas that already have interest. They look at existing videos in their niche. They study which topics perform well. They analyze where viewers respond to certain videos more than others. This process may sound simple, but it changes everything. Because when you create videos around proven interest, you reduce the risk of uploading content that nobody searches for. Topic selection is where many successful videos begin. Once the topic is chosen, the next step is how the information is presented. This is where many AI scripts fall short. AI can generate information easily, right? But information alone does not keep viewers watching. Viewers stay when the video feels structured. Strong videos guide the viewer through ideas step by step. They begin with a clear hook. They introduce the problem. They explain the key insights. Then they offer practical solutions. When the viewer understands where the video is going, they are more likely to continue watching. Structure transforms information into a story, and stories keep attention far better than scattered explanations. When people see a successful AI faceless channel, they often assume the creator found the perfect tool, but tools are only part of the equation. The real advantage comes from the workflow behind the contents. Research guides the topic, structure shapes the message, delivery improves clarity, visuals reinforce the ideas, and analytics help refine the process. When these elements work together, the channel becomes much stronger, and that strength compounds with every new video. So, if you are building an AI faceless channel, remember this. The goal is not simply to produce more videos. The goal is to produce better systems, because when your system improves, every video benefits from that improvement, right? Instead of guessing what might work, you begin creating content with intention. And when intention replaces randomness, growth becomes much more likely. So, if you are serious about building a faceless YouTube channel with AI, subscribe to the channel. Here, we focus on the systems behind successful creators, not just the tools. And in the next video, we will break down something many creators overlook: why so many AI faceless channels end up looking identical, and how you can build one that stands out. If this video helped clarify the process, leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments. I would like to hear what stage of the journey you are currently in, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!